Hi, this is Gene Younger with Clear Vision Naturally, and I'm going to show you how to juice wheatgrass with a Vitamix blender. We're going to juice the wheatgrass and then blend it with some frozen peaches, the juice of half a lemon, an apple, a banana, a piece of ginger with some water, and make a wonderful wheatgrass green smoothie. We start with a bowl of wheatgrass, which we have cut with a good pair of scissors, and we're going to blend it in a Vitamix blender with some water and some ice. So you take about a cup of water, put it in the Vitamix blender, take some ice cubes, and then put in the wheatgrass. And then we're going to blend it up in a Vitamix blender. So after we blend grass in a Vitamix blender for about 45 seconds, we pour it through a fine mesh bag. So then we strain the wheatgrass through a fine mesh bag, because the fiber of the wheatgrass is indigestible for humans. Of course, cows and horses and chimpanzees can digest the fiber of wheatgrass, but we can't. So we strain it through a fine mesh bag or a strainer. So we take the strained wheatgrass and we pour it in the Vitamix blender. Now we add the other ingredients to the juiced wheatgrass. We take the juice of half of a lemon, pour it in. We take a cut up apple, pour it in. A piece of ginger, some frozen peaches, and one banana. All ready? Make sure the lid is secure. For a refreshing glass of wheatgrass juice. Wheatgrass is so nutritious. It has about 70% chlorophyll. 2 ounces of wheatgrass is equivalent to 3.5 pounds of raw vegetables. And it's so good to start your day with a refreshing glass of wheatgrass. There are many benefits to consuming wheatgrass. Since I began juicing wheatgrass about 4 or 5 months ago, I have actually gained about 25 pounds of lightness. Oh, I could say I've lost over 25 pounds of weight, but actually, you know, when you lose something, you want to go find it. So I like to say I've gained over 25 pounds of lightness. In addition to that, I recently had my annual physical exam, and I actually have better blood pressure than I've ever had since it's been recorded, 117/77. In addition to that, by drinking wheatgrass, I've added about 2.5 hours of energetic living to every day of my life. The blender that I've used today is a model 5200 Vitamix. If you're interested in a Vitamix, please go to our website, clearvisionnaturally.com. When you order a Vitamix through our website, you receive free shipping, and we receive a small commission. 75% of that commission will go toward training new vision educators like myself, and 25% will go to the educational fund of my 12-year-old webmaster. Thank you very much for watching this video today.